All right, today we're going to look at two new pixies. Y'all, every single day I am flooded with messages from ladies that want to see gray wigs. So I got two gray wigs so I can show you. Disclaimer, I'm in no way saying these look good on me or these are my color or anything like that. I am just doing my job, which is to show you what you are asking for. Y'all, if you are new to my channel, let me tell you, this channel is not about me. It never has been for the last 8 years. This channel is about you and showing you what you want to see. You know, I know what I like and I know what I feel like looks good on me, but I want to show you what's out there so you can make good purchasing decisions. And y'all, I wish there were more gray wigs. I really do. I like gray wigs. I love gray with denim. I find myself wearing it, gray hair with denim shirts, denim jackets. I don't know, I think it just makes the colors pop. So first off, this is John Renau TESS. It's from their new Pixie collection. This color is 395160 and I believe it's called Mist. It has a really nice nape on this wig. This is so cute. I'm so glad that they came out with some new pixies. Y'all, I'm going to insert some video of the inside of the cap so you can have a look at it. Look at this extended lace front. And look at that large mono top. I think it is so nice to have those parting options. Even on short hair, we might want to part it in the middle, part it on the side. So you get those options with this cap. It's open wefted, as you can see. This fits me well. I did not do any adjustment. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. And y'all, also, both of these wigs are available at wigs.com. And if you would like to save on these, I have links in the drop-down box below this video that have my 30% discount attached to them. So just go to the drop-down box and you will find those there. So let me tell you what I did. When I took this out of the box, of course, you know, I love to style short pixie wigs. I think there's so many different ways to wear them. I got some wig wax and I sprayed this wig with some wig wax. I put my hands through it. I spiked it up a little bit. I parted it on the side a little bit, and that is what I decided to do with mine. I want to show you this lace front. Y'all, the lace front is beautiful on this. So you could pull this back in a clip completely off your face, which would be really cute as well. So the specs of TESS, this is a front of 3 to 3½ inches on this little bang. The crown is 3½ to 4. It has these short 2-inch sides and the nape is 1.75 on this one. Again, I like that nape. And also what I liked about this color, I did not notice seeing the wefting. You know, sometimes on gray wigs, you have to be careful. Sometimes you can see the wefting through the lighter color. So I always say if you're gonna wear a wig cap, make sure it is a light colored wig cap, but I did not notice that on this style. Now this color is called Mist. Now it's pure white front on this. It's a cool color. It has got this pure white front. And then it has all this light, natural ash kind of brown running through it, 75% light gray. And then it graduates to a little bit darker brown, if you will notice. I've not had this color before, I don't think. I don't think I've ever reviewed this color, but I like it. I like the mixture of this ash brown that's running through it. It's a very natural color. It's a very wearable color. There's no rooting going on here. Yeah, good job on this. All right, let's look at this one now. This is right up my alley. I love everything about this pixie. This is from Envy. This is called Tiffany Hand-Tied. And this color is Sterling Shadow, which has been one of my favorite, and y'all know, I'm just gonna put it out there. I love a gray rooted wig. I know there are a ton of you who do not. I'm sorry, I wish there were, like I've told you 100 times, I wish for every rooted wig they made a non-rooted wig, but that is not always the case. But I have shown you this color so many times because I think it is just, I love it. And look at Tiffany. Again, a nice nape on this pixie. So cute. I did the same exact thing as I did with the other. I took my wig wax, I sprayed it, I ran my hands through it, and I just finger styled it, and you are ready to go. Now, Tiffany hand tied is from the new collection from Envy called their Number Ones collection, and it has this new wonderful cap, and it's called their Atelier cap. Y'all, I put this wig on and it molds to my head like a dream. I think this is the best cap Envy has ever come out with. Now, I'm also going to insert some video of this cap. So I want to just point out a few things about it. It is partially hand tied. You will see there is some wefting in the back of this cap. It has a Swiss lace front. Now, if you're new to wigs, let me caution you about Swiss lace. It is very, very delicate. It can tear easily, it can stretch easily. So this is something you are going to want to be extremely careful with, but you will get such a natural look with this Swiss lace. Now, Envy is also saying they are using a double Swiss lace top. If you'll look at the top of this, y'all, this cap, this is luxurious. It is so, so beautiful. Also, what I really like about this new Atelier cap, and y'all, I have Charlotte hand tied. I've already shown you that. This is lighter density in the front, and then it gradually gets a little more dense in the back, and so that gives you such a natural look. Now, the front of Tiffany hand tied is 4.25. The sides are 2.75, and this one has the 1.75 nape. And then, of course, Sterling Shadow is just a medium salt and pepper, and it has the dark root. Y'all, I just like it. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not apologizing for it. I like it. I think it's so fun. I know every time I wear it, someone's going to say to me, I love your hair. I just like it. I think it's dynamic. I think it's fun. I just like everything about it. And I also want to give you a close-up look at this Swiss lace front. Now, y'all, another thing about this lace front, I just want to call it to your attention. You can trim this lace front if you need to. I did not trim this one, but I did trim my Charlotte hand tied. I have not trimmed this one. I probably won't wear this off my face, even though I could. Again, you could clip this, but I like this little bang on this one and how you can really piece it out and make it fun. But you can also, and if you need to, with this Swiss lace, you could do a little adhesive. Again, I have not done that on this one, but I did on my Charlotte hand tied. All right, that's a look at 2 gray pixies. I hope you enjoyed this today. I am really trying to get my hands on a lot more pixies. It's summertime. I love the short hair. It's hot down here where I live, and it's fun to throw on short hair. But y'all, I like short hair in the winter as well because it looks so good with a turtleneck. So it's just year round, but I really love them in the summer. So hopefully I'll have a lot more to show you coming up. Again, check the drop down box if you want to save on these 2 wigs. And one more point about these wigs. There is very little price difference between the 2 of these. I was a little surprised by that, from an open wefted to this hand-tied cap. So I believe there's less than like a $10 range between the 2 of them. So check that out as well. It just comes down to your preference. Do you prefer hand-tied or do you like open wefted? You have the choice. Both of these are very similar. So let me know your thoughts on these 2 wigs. Have you tried either one? And if so, what colors have you tried? I want to hear all about it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.